Hey, hi guys.
friends. And
Guys, you speak first. Okay,
yeah, okay.
start.
Today we are very happy because today fishing. We are going to see the result. I am very
Excited?
excited to see the
You
result.
guys, she's talking about what is that we are here at Sharau Sodna.
Yeah.
This is called
island.
this is the island Sodna, wherein wow, it's amazing.
Yeah,
It's like
it's very
blessed
green.
by nature.
Yes.
This area
And
is seriously blessed by nature. You find everything green.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy today because I've got a young YouTuber with me. Kshitija Naik. She's from My Horizon.
and this one is from Casualios.
Yeah, hi, this is Raj from Casualios. And
And,
then, yeah.
I'm very excited to see the results. As
Yeah,
I was telling you.
yeah, you can tell.
And
The result what she's talking about is like we are here at a Manas.
yeah, mine.
We call it Manas and in English it is called sluice gate.
Yeah,
Sluice.
sluice.
Wherein that water is barred, blocked,
Yeah,
and then the net is put
yeah. They opened the gate
afterwards. Yeah, so then when we had come here it was closed. And just then the fishermen came, they opened the gate, they have put the net and we are waiting for the result. As per the fisherman, he said like there are lot many fishes, big fishes.
And there are also that velly. They call velly.
Vellies also.
Small
I don't the
vellies.
net won't help those vellies.
Yeah, because they're too small.
Yeah. Okay guys, anyways like
Because the babies also, no, they go.
yeah.
We can't just make.
Yeah, Shidhi, can I ask you something?
What?
Why do you have most of your videos here shot here in Sodna?
No, because I love this place because of nature. I really love this place. That's why
Mostly.
mostly.
Most of our videos are here shot here.
Yeah.
And then guys, you can see us from the topmost view here.
God.
And this is we are on the bridge. You can see that back. This is the back side, and we are talking about this Manas here.
Yeah, see there, that orange thing is there now, which you can see.
Yeah,
That's
there.
the net. That
Yeah,
thing.
it's the net, and the
Okay.
water is flowing, and you can see the fishermen there. Two people they are
Yeah,
there.
Two people are sitting there.
They have promised us that they will be having a big. Showing us the big catch.
Yeah.
That's what they said. I mean, I don't
See,
know.
now at least they got 6 fishes and all. They know what is their food and all, what they eat. Yes, then that fish comes to eat it and they go.
Boom, and the
They
fish
take it.
fish is gone, and then they eat the fish.
But they don't take the small fishes. They leave it because
That
they're
is
babies,
bad.
no?
But that is bad. I think they
Why?
should put them back.
Yeah, they put back only, no. They must keep them back.
Yeah, throw them
But
back in
maybe
the water.
maybe they when they were taking to sail it,
Yeah.
that time maybe it should have they fall or sometimes.
Correct.
Like that maybe that time happens.
Correct.
But they don't purposely waste fishes and all. And actually no, they don't waste.
Yeah, and Shidhi, can you can tell that link between this point and that point that you was talking about? Yeah.
Now this point and that point, no.
It's called point. By the way, point.
yeah.
It's called point. Point means I think it's pond.
Yeah, some pond, but no, it's like a lake. I don't know what it's actually.
Yeah, what it
called.
actually called. But and then you can find.
From there it's connected to here, and from here it's connected to here, and from here it's connected to there.
this side,
and
that
that is connected to Mandavi.
Yeah, actually, see, this is like not sweet water, right? When it is connected to Mandavi, it's salty also.
It's
Yeah.
salty.
So as per our fishermen, like they would be surprising us with some big catch today, and we are eagerly waiting.
Yeah, they have got a lot of fishes. Maybe around 6 now they've got.
Yeah.
And the most important thing is, please do not just throw fishes. Now, some people, you know what they do? Some people catch them. Okay, some people catch them. Okay, and then sometimes the baby shark and all comes, no? Then they don't want to eat them, and then there only they throw them.
No, but like that is what else can they do? I mean, like when they remove it, they are dead, right?
Yeah, no, but see, when they at least get it, that time it shakes. Still,
Yeah,
then you
when
can
they
throw
are alive.
that, no?
Yeah. I think we are just using and misusing nature,
Yeah.
right? See, this nature is giving us fish. Okay, fish is a staple food of Goa. Okay, understood. But we should see that we don't exhaust this.
Yeah, see, what God gives that we can use, but you must not misuse it.
Misusing. Correct. Like, see, there are lot many things in the nature. the nature has given us a lot many resources,
Yes.
and we should use it properly and in the requirement what we actually need. It should not be like, we should not be selfish, right?
Yes.
And that is where we harm the nature, and one day the nature will harm us finally.
Yeah. From somewhere volcanoes will come, and again those dinosaurs will come, and again the layer will come, dinosaurs will die, and then again. what
Then this
will
world
happen, I
will
don't
world
know.
will finish again.
They are also opening that gate now.
Yeah, guys. So they are opening the other gate also. We just see, check this.
It's in the middle. See that middle gate.
Yeah,
Be careful.
they are opening that also
My God.
here.
It's very dangerous because that man, no, who was sitting there, the
Yeah, old man,
he was
yeah.
about to fall.
Yeah. You can,
I told you all right.
yeah, you can speak here on the camera. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
See, guys, they are opening the other gate also
Yeah,
now.
they see that one.
Yeah, that one.
No,
That
that one.
the center one, right?
Yeah, center one.
Yeah, that one.
This
That one.
one.
No, this one. This
No,
one.
this
This
one.
Yeah. And then
one.
they will open that, and hopefully, I don't know why they are opening it actually,
Yeah.
but they must be. I mean, we can't speak anything on that because they have got their own ideas. They are regularly doing these things, right?
Yeah, they do every day.
Yeah. So it's not nothing new for them.
Yeah.
I mean, we are just finding it very new today. But
Yeah.
to tell you the fact about this nature here, guys, Chodna is
A very
really
beautiful place.
beautiful place.
If you can, if you all want to come, then you all can come. But after COVID, please do be careful.
Yeah, be careful, guys. Yeah, guys, even we were excited about that catch of fish today, but
But I don't think so.
as per the fisherman, he says like,
At night it will open.
yeah, they'll remove it at in the evening, late night maybe. So
Why don't we take that man's number and then what?
yeah, we can ask him later, but as of now, I think yeah, we can't do anything. We tried our best,
Yeah, to see.
yeah, to see and give you all the best today, and it was fun being here at this place, exciting place, very beautiful place.
Yeah.
You want to say
But
something?
I wanted to just see the catch. What was?
Yeah, me too. We were excited about the catch actually, but
Yeah.
so guys,
So at night they will remove it.
yeah. So
The man went there to fish.
yeah. Now he went there also. So, anyways, you want to say something?
What?
Yeah, tell them.
Yeah. I was so excited to really join.
Me too. But anyway, the day was good. Today's day was.
Yeah.
This outing was. It is outing, of course. So
Yeah.
the outing was very good. We enjoyed the day. Since afternoon we are here.
Yeah, today we didn't even see TV and all.
Correct. Actually, you know what? That is a good thing.
Wow.
Once in a while, you should go out.
Yeah.
Like you should leave everything. You should not watch TV.
Yeah.
Not even your mobile. So how will shoot then? So anyways, yeah guys, I mean I think everyone should do this once in a while, at least once in a week. Switch off your mobiles, switch off your TV.
Yeah, at least 5 minutes or something.
What 5 minutes?
More than 5 minutes.
Yeah, at least one day I said.
Yeah, one day.
At least one day you should forget that you are connected with internet, connected with mobile.
When I come at my granny's place, no,
Yeah.
I'm just like no TV, no playing games, not even playing games.
Means here when you come here.
Yeah,
That's
I
what,
play
like,
with my pet and all.
so you are totally with the nature
Yeah.
when you're here. It's good actually. I think we should also spend time with the nature because as per the developments what are going now, I don't think we'll find this nature in
After-
near future. Yeah, maybe in another 20-25 years.
Yeah, 25 years.
Yeah, I think everything will be gone as per the development. Like people say it is development, but it is like destruction of nature. Yeah. Just because, I mean, people from here they may not know the actual meaning of destruction. We coming here understand what is destruction and what is nature. This is beauty of nature that we are happy here. That's what I
not
say.
getting finished only, they see.
Yeah. So guys, Thank you so much. And Kshitija, thank you so much for having me on your show.
You too.
Yeah, thank you so much. Take care. Take good care. So
Oh my
guys,
god, see there, so doggies.
wow, it's not doggy.
Doggies.
Yeah, those
They're goats.
goats. Yeah, I think.
Can I touch one?
Yeah, sure. You do?
Yeah.
Come. So guys, she's going to touch the goats now.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Sure. Guys, she has taken the permission to touch the goats and see these are tiny goats. Touch, touch. And yeah, she looks very happy. And also the goats. Yes, it's really awesome being here.
तुमका कसे दिसता आणि तुम्ही रोज बकऱ्यांक व्हरता
डेली हाडटा सांजेडे
आणि तुमका बरे दिसता रावपाक हांगा
हय बोकडांनी बरें दिसता
Thank you. Yeah, so let's
Shall we touch another
sign off. You want to touch another one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
So cute.
Yeah. So Kshitija is very excited to touch the goats today. Oh God, they're running.
They're running.
Anyways,
They're very cute, but they're so soft, you know. I can't believe.
okay, guys. So shall we say goodbye to people?
Bye bye.
So guys,
Let's meet.
bye bye.
Bye-bye.
This is Raj and Kshitija signing off
Bye.
for today. See you sometimes. As I told you before, please spend your time with the nature. Never know. I mean, near future we may not have this beauty.
Yeah, and please
Spend-
subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Casually
Please,
all
subscribe.
and my show.
Yes, My Horizon. Also, guys. So see you soon.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Take care.